I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up Facebook Reels to automatically start with sound on in the Facebook app. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the menu icon. Step 2. Tap Settings in this menu. Settings and privacy options are displayed. Step 3. Scroll down to the Preferences section and then tap Media. Step 4. Swipe down to the Sound section and then tap to toggle on Reels Start with Sound On. Going forward, any Facebook Reels you watch will automatically start with the sound on. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.